CLE review question. Area: Criminalistics. The basic principle of this law involved in personal identification, which states that the greater the number of similarities and differences, the greater the probability for the identity or non-identity to be conclusive. A. Law of individuality. B. Law of multiplicity of evidence. C. Law of infallibility. D. Law of constancy. 3, 2, 1. Answer: B. Justification. Analyzing the question, options: A. Law of individuality, B. Law of infallibility, and C. Law of constancy refer to the basic principles of fingerprint, while D. Law of multiplicity of evidence is one of the rules in personal identification. Utilizing the deductive method to answer the question, it is evident that letter B is the best answer. Furthermore, to substantiate this claim, the rationalization of the given question and its choices is as follows. Basic principles of fingerprint. 1. Individuality. No two persons have the same fingerprint. 2. Infallibility. That fingerprint is a positive and reliable means of identification. It cannot be easily forged. 3. Constancy or permanency. That the friction ridge, once fully developed its arrangement, will remain the same throughout man's life. Rules to personal identification. 1. Law of multiplicity of evidence. The greater the number of points of similarities and dissimilarities of two persons compared, the greater the probability for the conclusion to be correct. 2. The value of different points of identification varies in the formation of conclusion. 3. The longer the interval between the death and the examination of the remains for purposes of identification, the greater is the need for experts in establishing identity. 4. Inasmuch as the object to be identified is highly perishable, it is necessary for the team to act in the shortest possible time, especially in cases of mass disaster. 5. There is no rigid rule to be observed in the procedure of identification of persons. Ergo, the best answer based on the rationalization of the given question is letter B, Law of multiplicity of evidence.